Essential welding safety practices every welder must follow. Welding is a high-risk process. One mistake can lead to serious injury, equipment damage, or long-term health problems. Understanding and following proper welding safety practices is not optional. It is part of professional responsibility. 1. Personal protective equipment is mandatory. Proper PPE protects against burns, sparks, radiation, and fumes. Always wear a certified welding helmet, heat-resistant gloves, flame-retardant clothing, and safety boots. Exposed skin increases the risk of arc burns and eye damage. 2. Electrical safety awareness. Welding machines operate at high current levels. Inspect cables, electrode holders, and grounding connections before starting work. Never weld in wet conditions, and avoid direct contact with live components to prevent electric shock. 3. Ventilation and fume control. Welding fumes contain harmful gases and metal particles. Work in well-ventilated areas or use fume extraction systems. Prolonged exposure without proper airflow can lead to respiratory issues and long-term health damage. 4. Fire and explosion prevention. Sparks and molten metal can ignite nearby materials. Clear the work area of flammable substances and keep a fire extinguisher within reach. Be especially cautious when welding near fuel containers or pressurized systems. 5. Equipment handling and workspace discipline. Poor handling causes accidents. Keep welding leads organized, tools properly stored, and the work surface stable. A clean, controlled workspace improves safety and welding quality. Welding safety is not about following rules out of fear. It is about protecting lives, equipment, and workmanship. Safe welding habits reflect professionalism, discipline, and respect for the craft. If you're seeing this video for the first time, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated and informed on our latest videos. You should also check out our other videos to boost your understanding and maximize your knowledge. For more information on welding or products, reach out to us at gzsupplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.